Hello. So for this lesson, it's going to be a pretty short lesson. I'm going to teach you how to deploy your code. So we can deploy our code anywhere. I mean, anywhere. Okay, so for that, we can deploy our code in many different methods. But for this method, I'm going to teach you using GitHub. Why GitHub? Because GitHub is free. Of course, it comes with some catch, but for now, for the beginning, it's okay. It's suitable. But before we go further, what is publish or deploy? So publish or deploy, usually I use the word deploy, means that we give the website that we create a URL. So anyone can access the URL and they can come to the website that you've deployed. In this case, a portfolio. It's not like this now when you open a live server, the URL will be like localhost 5000 something, right? Yeah, so that one is you're running it locally. But now we're going to publish it globally. So maybe your best friend from, let's say you're from KL and your best friend is in Penang. Yeah, your best friend in Penang can open your website as well. Sounds cool, right? Okay, let's go. So first thing first, just in case I miss out on the previous video, which I think I did, I'm gonna edit a post-production there maybe. Let's go to the VS Code first. So we need to push our file. So git add dot. In this case, I did add everything, and then git commit -n and give it a commit. In this case, I did finish portfolio and ready to be deployed. But this one says nothing to commit because I did committed it. I did push it actually in the post production. Git push. It's always important to add, commit, and push when you've done for the day. Okay, everything up to date. Now let's see. Okay, so this will be the GitHub. In this case, I name it test_portfolio. So the first thing that I need to do if you are deploying using GitHub is that you need to change the repository name. You need to rename it to your username.github.io. So in this case, my username is FidelSecurityP. So I'm going to rename it to FidelSecurityP.github.io. And then rename. It's rename already. Yeah, this is one of the drawback lah. In setting, let's go to pages. Then in pages, where was it? Yeah. Actually, you need to change the branch to master. Which branch you want to deploy. And then we'll take the root of the folder and you have to press save. And it says the site is ready to be published at fiddlesecurity.github.io. In your case, it will be your username.github.io. And let's press it. And tada! My portfolio. Click is deployed. So nice, deployed. And then see the URL is different from this now. There is like this /index.html. Well, that was a short stream. Short lesson. That's pretty easy, right? Okay, congratulations, you are done with the portfolio. Maybe I'm going to play some emotional music here. And then let me put a filter. You did a good job. And I am proud of you guys of doing the portfolio. Maybe our journey ends here, maybe not. I'm trying to be a bit sad over here, but I don't think it's working. Anyways, maybe we'll see each other again in another tutorial video. Who knows, right? Let's take a picture first before we go. Okay. 1, 1, 2, 3. Alright, done. Alright, see you guys for now. Bye bye.